Everybody, it's KeToMi Poppy back for another episode of KeToMi Recipes. Today, as you saw in the thumbnail and the title below, we are going to be making an American classic keto bacon macaroni and cheese. That's right, you can enjoy macaroni and cheese all over again, and I'm pretty sure your friends and family are going to love this one. The star of the show is going to be this keto macaroni pasta that you can find on Amazon. It's from Great Low Carb Bread Company. It's going to be an affiliate link in the description below where you can find it. This is going to be a quick and easy recipe. This is going to be an oven-baked macaroni and cheese, but you can opt out to use the oven if you don't really like oven-baked macaroni and cheese, and just be done a lot faster than what we're going to be getting through in this video. So in this video, we are going to be using what you see here. We have some cheddar cheese, some Gouda cheese, and some mozzarella cheese. This is going to be used with some sour cream, heavy cream, some buttermilk. I'm going to be using this Applegate no sugar uncured bacon. I'm going to be getting this cooking. That will be used later on, and the seasonings that you're going to be needing is your favorite Cajun seasoning. I'm using Slap Your Mama, garlic powder, black pepper, and a pinch of salt. All right, so first what we're going to be doing is we're going to get our pasta cooked. We're going to go ahead and get you some water boiling. Once the water starts to boil, add your pasta and cook for 10 to 12 minutes or until soft. And then we're going to go ahead and move on to our cheese station. So I'll see you guys in just a bit. Okay, so right now in a separate pot, we have our cheddar cheese, our mozzarella cheese, and our Gouda cheese. We have this in the pot with our sour cream, buttermilk, and heavy cream, along with our seasonings that will be in the description below, but I'll go ahead and repeat them again. We have the Cajun seasoning, garlic powder, black pepper powder, and a pinch of salt. We're going to go ahead and let this cook on a low simmer, and we're going to get this nice and mixed well until it has a smooth, cheesy consistency. Okay, so now we added our cooked macaroni elbow pasta into the cheese sauce. We're going to go ahead and get this mixed, and we're going to be adding that to our skillet here for additional cooking on the in the oven. Okay, so I was able to get the macaroni and cheese transferred to a skillet. I ended up adding some extra cheese and some bacon that we had cooked earlier. I'm going to toss this into an oven at 350 degrees. I'm going to cook this for an additional 6 to 8 more minutes just to get that cheese nice and melted and that bacon even more crispy. If you guys choose not to oven bake it, you can go ahead and dig in at this point. So I'll show you guys the finished product in just a second. And guys, here is the final product of our keto bacon macaroni and cheese in the skillet. This cooked for an additional 6 to 8 minutes, and it came out perfectly fine. Guys, if you guys like videos like this, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell so you won't miss another KeToMi Recipes video. I'm going to go ahead and dive into this. If you actually made this and enjoyed it, leave a comment down below and let me know exactly how you felt about it. I'll see you guys on the next episode. You guys take care. Bye-bye.